Have you ever heard that there are objects so bright they outshine entire galaxies? Even though they're not stars or suns or anything like that, they're quasars. And what you're really looking at is a black hole consuming matter like a living beast. And honestly, that's just the beginning. Today I want to walk you through what a quasar really is. We'll cross the event horizon the way Stephen Hawking described it, and we'll talk about something even crazier, why time basically stops near a black hole, just like Albert Einstein explained. This is QuasarUntamed. Let's get started. When you look up pictures of quasars, they often look like normal galaxies. But what makes them quasars isn't the galaxy. It's what's happening at the center. There's a supermassive black hole living there. And when that black hole starts swallowing gas, dust, and even stars at ridiculous speeds, it forms a hot, spinning disk that shines brighter than the entire galaxy around it. That glow, that massive burst of energy, is what we call a quasar. It's basically a black hole turned on. Imagine matter spinning so fast around the black hole that it heats up like it's inside a cosmic blender. Temperatures rise to millions of degrees, magnetic fields twist and snap, and jets of plasma shoot out at nearly the speed of light. It's not just light, it's violent light. A quasar is the silent scream of the universe. Stephen Hawking explained that the event horizon is the final boundary. If something crosses it, it's gone for good. It's the point where space and time fold into one another. But here's the interesting part. According to Hawking, information doesn't disappear. Even if something vanishes inside a black hole, the universe somehow keeps a record that it existed. And as the black hole devours matter, the quasar's glow is basically the story of everything being destroyed. Einstein said that time isn't absolute, it changes depending on gravity. Near a black hole, gravity is so extreme that time stretches. 1 minute for you could be thousands of years for someone far away. From the outside, everything seems frozen. From the inside, everything happens too fast. Near a quasar, time almost stops, not because it disappears, but because it simply doesn't behave the same for everyone. And here's the philosophical punch. When we look at a quasar, we're not just seeing an object, we're seeing the edge of time, the place where reality bends, where light fights not to be swallowed, where the universe reminds us how little we actually understand, and how fascinating that really is. For me, a quasar isn't just an astronomical phenomenon. It's a metaphor, a reminder that even in the most extreme chaos, something still shines. And maybe that's why this channel is called QuasarUntamed, because human curiosity is just as wild. If you enjoyed this way of looking at the universe, feel free to subscribe. We're just getting started.